Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction. I am your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget. And my co-host is Marilyn at Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. And today's episode is entitled The One Pot Meal Collaboration 2025. Now we have simple rules. And the rules are, number 1, follow proper collaboration protocol. Number 2, prepare a meal or appetizer in a crock pot, a rice cooker, a pressure cooker, etc. Also include the recipe in the description box for others to try. Number 3, use the title, One Pot Meal Collaboration 2025. Number 4, mention all host and co-host channels in your video and link them in your description box. Number 5, we would love for you to be a subscriber to our channels. Number 6, use the hashtag OnePotMeal2025 in your title and the description. Number 7, there's no twist in this collaboration. Number 8, there will be a playlist available to add your videos. And number 9, have fun. Enjoy yourself doing the collaboration. The upload date is February 4th, 2025. And the times are 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time or 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this collaboration, please contact me on IG at CreativelyMsMe, and I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. See you there.